Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of lace doily patterns. You will see very attractive and gorgeous border patterns designs which are used in these lace doilies. You can see this beautiful floral pattern which is simple 3 petal or 4 petal floral pattern which is made 3 times for border edge pattern of this specific doily, and all of the other designs are also having very attractive and beautiful shell stitch border patterns and rose flower border patterns. You will see designs with chain picot border patterns along with shell stitch as well, like this one. And you can see this beautiful, very attractive and very easy to make design for border pattern as well, which is just made with simple double crochet and chain one pattern along with V-stitch at the corner. So all of these designing ideas are very attractive, especially their color schemes as well. You can see shimmer cord used in some of the designs for border patterns as well. Like the previous design was having a shimmer cord, and this one is also having a shimmer cord, and V-stitch pattern is made with shimmer cord along with other yarn, which is a blend of shimmer. So you can have very attractive glittery look in the yarn used for the project. So all of these designing ideas are unique, their color schemes, their patterns, and you can make them in larger sizes as well. You can use them as floor mats if you want as well by just changing the type of yarn. Most of the doilies are made with a 3-ply yarn, and cotton yarn is used to make these designs. So you can use a 4-ply yarn or t-shirt yarn to make them a floor mat with the same pattern, or just by increasing some rounds in these doily patterns, which can be increased with the same increasing pattern very easily. Some of the patterns are already available on my channel, so you can see tutorial videos which are available. And if you are interested in seeing specific tutorial videos of crochet lace doilies which are currently not available on my channel, you can let me know in the comments as well. I will make videos on them, because on this channel, other than these kinds of ideas videos, crochet tutorial videos are also available. So you can just let me know in the comments about any specific idea video or crochet tutorial video which you want to see. I will make videos on your request. So don't forget to give your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe as well to get notifications of new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.